Who's cooking? Nico, who's this? What's she making?
Salsa.
And what kind of salsa?
Mango.
Mango?
And peach. Mango and peach. Pasta, yeah. Jenna's making pasta. But I'm making mango and peach salsa. I don't know if you'd like this, but... Yeah. Oops.
Ooh.
Very thick-skinned mango. Ah! That's the prune. That's the prune bell. Those are going to be good.
What's that? What's that, Nico? What's this stuff? Down here. What's that? What's that?
Pasta.
I'm making pasta. I'm gonna put this in it. What is that?
Pasta and what?
Don't fall.
No.
Want to get down?